Here we come to the elevators at the Bright Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. We're gonna go up first. I know I've filmed this elevator like countless times, but look at this. They have a new sensor. Let's go on to 1. See, look at that 3D sensor. Watch it change color, see? And it opens just like that. All right, let's close the door before I nudge it. But other than that, everything is still original as always. Nothing has changed so far. These are your fixtures, Montgomery Vector fixtures with your ADA phone. I meant to say non-ADA, but I was rushed in this video at that time. All right, here we are at 1. All right, watch this, watch the 3D sensor. I love the effects on this. All right, there it goes. And we'll take a quick ride on this elevator here. It's already here waiting for me. We're just gonna go down to B and come back up to 1 because I'm on a time crunch. So, yeah. I mean, I already filmed this elevator like numerous times. If you want to see the video of these elevators, you can refer to my previous videos when I came back here. But this is just only a quick ride because I just wanted to show the sensor. I love the 3D sensor. All right, here we are at 1. Button does not go off till the elevator door opens. Oh, sorry. All right, there goes the 3D sensor. And there it goes. And that's it. And here's a much better take 3 months later. Here we come to the elevators at the Bright Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Are you going up? Oh, they put in the 3D sensors. Nice. What floor would you like, sir?
6.
Indicators out this one. All right, have a great morning.
You too.
There's the Petroleum Engineering building. There's your non-ADA phone. Oh, we're gonna go down to 1 and catch the next car. Hopefully the left elevator car has a better working indicator. But look at this. They got the... Look at this, see? It's got 3D sensors. Look at that. This is nice. I thought I'd do another updated take on this because I was in a rush the last time when I recorded this. The button doesn't go off till the elevator completely stops. Oh, is this open? Oh, no, it's not. Sorry, I thought it was, but it's not open. want to get the other elevator car. I want to get the one on the far left. And after that, we'll ride the 2-speed one on the right that serves the basement. Ah, and here it is. Here's the left elevator car right here. And this one's got a much brighter sensor. Much brighter 3D door sensor. And yes, this got the working indicator. What floor would you like?
Oops, 7.
Oh, all the way up. Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The fan is so loud in here. A second delayed start. I'm just fascinated with elevators, which is why I'm recording.
Oh, that's so valid. It's pretty loud here.
It's just the fan that's making them. The fan's what's loud. All right, have a great day. I really love the VFD indicator. I'm glad we didn't have to stop a whole lot. Listen to the squeak of the guide rails. It's your phone. What floor would you like?
Changes.
Which one?
Oh, 5.
I thought I'd take for one more ride on this. Have a great day. I want to get a close-up. I thought I'd get a close-up view of that indicator. All right, we'll go back down to 1. And we'll catch the 2-speed door elevator. I have a bag with me, which is why I hear all that clanking. Sorry about that. I figured when I get much more of a detailed video of these elevators, because if you don't know, these are the only kind of Montgomery Vector elevators left in the entire state of Texas. Although we got the Galveston Seaport Museum, but that one's hydraulic. But these are traction. These are obviously the only remaining Montgomery Vector traction elevators left. Okay, we're gonna catch the right elevator car. This is what the elevator lobby looks like. It should be working. I just called it down. Oh, here it is. Yes, it is working. This one's got the 3D sensor as well. I want to see that again. Lights up green, meaning it's clear. And red means, or orange means it's stand clear. This one has a replace indicator. This one's a lot slower than the other one. How back down to one to end there. Oh, look at that view. There's the Zachary Engineering building over there. It's just your basic elevator, just like all the other ones. Montgomery Vector fixtures. I know Justin is definitely gonna foam over this. Focus camera. This door close button seems like it's much more durable than door open. Okay, that was a marathon of Montgomery elevators. So there it goes, and that will be it.